Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad AIMAN bin MAZLAN and my matric number is 2013928841. In this video, I will present about lab 2, that is about inverting amplifier and non-inverting amplifier. Okay, first, as we can see here, this is inverting amplifier. For this inverting amplifier, there will be 3 graphs that will change in RF. That is, first is 4.7. First we see and 4.7K. For the output of 4.7K, we will get as like this. Okay, I set this to minimum negative 33 and maximum 33 because we will use 4.7K, 10K and 33K for RF. That is feedback resistor. So for 4.7K, he will get this graph for Vout because the maximum is 4.7K and the Vin is almost 1K, as we can see in the graph. The Vin here, Rin and RF 4.7K, and we will get for almost 4.7K because this RF to get the gain, it is a negative RF divided by Rin. So then we will see for 10K, okay, here for 10K the output will be almost 10 volt. It's not with also with the minimum, that is negative 9.9 volt. It is because the RF is 10K ohm. And then the last one is 33K. For 33K, the result will be at 15 volt because the maximum here, maximum output here is, maximum input is 15 volt. So that's why it cannot reach the 33K, 33 volt, and it will reach the max, that is 15 volt. So for inverting amplifier, it has a negative feedback, that is, it feed it back to inverting input terminal by using feedback resistor. So then it will produce a closed loop. So that's all for inverting input, and now we will see the non-inverting input. And this is a non-inverting input. For the non-inverting input, the AC input will be connecting to the non-inverting, that is positive. And so we will see the output here. First we will see at when RF is at 4.7K. Okay, as we can see here, for non-inverting input, the RF is 4.7K, but the value is, the higher value is 5.6 volt, higher than 4.7. It is because output gain become positive in value, and the gain will be 1 plus RF divided by Rin. As we can see here, Rin is 1K. Okay, now we will see at 10K. Okay, for 10k ohm RF also will be the 10.9, because the maximum will be plus 1, there is 11 volt, so it will reach the maximum is 10.9. And now the last one is 33k. And the output here is, it goes for the maximum value, that is 15 volt, because just like the inverting one, the input for the non-inverting circuit is 15 volt. That is the maximum and the minimum. So for the non-inverting input, the closed loop gain will always be greater, but never less than 1. So if the RF here is 0, then the gain will be 1. So if the RF Rin here is 0, the gain will be infinite. So that's all for me. Thank you.